In this video, I will show you how to make your TikTok account private. Begin by opening up the TikTok app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the profile button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the upper right corner of your profile page, look for 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it. A menu will pop up, select Settings and Privacy. Once in Settings and Privacy, tap on Privacy. You'll see an option labeled Private Account. Simply toggle on the switch next to it. Once activated, only users that you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Rest assured that any existing followers won't be affected by this change, they'll still have access unless removed manually. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.